Ay, naku, di ka...
This is Carmela Fonbuena of Rappler.com. We are here at the Mindanao State University in Marawi City for the celebration of the Mindanao Peace Week. We have here Mustafa Sultan, a second-year economics student, and he will tell us about the celebration, the week-long celebration they're having here in the university. Hello, Mustafa. Can you tell me about the Mindanao Peace Week? Ano yung mga ginagawa niyong celebration at ano yung activities ninyo?
By the way, I am Mustafa Sultan, a second-year student from the Department of Economics. In celebration of Mindanao Week of Peace, we have these activities, a series of activities like photo booth and freedom of wall, vanity wall, and then walk for peace, and then hataw para sa kapayan or zumba para sa kapayapaan.
And yung participants, who are they?
The participants is coming from different culture, different tribes, and also
Christians and Muslims gather to celebrate the Peace Week. What's your advocacy?
To promote peace and to give us hope na sana magkaroon ng kapayapaan dito sa Mindanao. Because as a Muslim, Islam is a peace. And we don't like war, we don't like extremists, so we really need to have this peace here in Mindanao State University or Mindanao.
And when you say you don't want war, you support the peace process?
Yeah, because pag may war kasi na yung maraming nadadamay, mga civilians, so hindi masyadong magandang yung takbo ng pamumuhay ng isang tao pag may war.
Sabi ni Presidente, gusto rin niya ng peace talks and you support it.
Gusto rin namin ng peace talk at saka gusto namin yung sinasabi ni Duterte na pag-usapan na lang kung ano yung hindi pagkakaintindihan.
It is a very timely message. This is Carmela Fonbuena, Rappler, Marawi City.